This is being prescribed even by doctors. Squeeze 1 lemon in olive oil and in 5 minutes watch what happens. One of the desires that many people have is always to remain young and not to notice those overbearing years, which we are so afraid to notice, because as our age advances, those wrinkles, lines of expression, spots on the skin, which indicate that our body is aging. For these reasons, we are always looking for new methods of rejuvenation, creams, supplements that claim to make us younger, and also those chemical procedures like facelift or Botox that help you look younger by paying a lot of money. However, many forget that the reflection of our interior is reflected in the outside, that is, if our organism is not healthy, because we are not going to see ourselves healthy from the outside. That is why it is necessary to take care of our body externally and internally. With this recipe, you can clean your liver and look younger if you start to consume it daily. Besides being natural, you can get it in any supermarket or store, and its price is very accessible. In addition to cleaning your liver, you can purify other parts of your body and you will get a better appearance, which will be noticed in your face and your general health, and the best thing is that it is very easy to prepare. Ingredients: 1. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 2. 2 lemons. Preparation: 1. Remove the lemon juice by removing the seeds. 2. Mix with the 3 tablespoons of olive oil until the mixture is fully integrated. Mode of consumption: take every day on an empty stomach for at least a month. By consuming this mixture daily, you will get very good results, and you will notice how your body will be cleaner, especially your liver. If you want to keep your liver healthy, you should also remember to drink plenty of water, not to smoke, or drink liquor, and consume a lot of fiber and whole grains, as well as carrots and nuts. A good diet will help your body to feel better.